I got blindsided by the rain. This is essence of what my garden space looked like after all the rain. I'm glad I didn't plant anything, so all my seeds probably would have washed up. Anyway, I got a design flaw to the garden space that I'm creating. I noticed that I don't have an adequate enough walkway to get to my section, so I'm probably going to work on that once the ground dries up a little bit. In the meantime, I'll be trying to decide what I'm going to plant and where I'm going to plant it, which section I'm going to plant it in. I really don't want it to be complex, but I'm just trying to pick out the best area for the plants that I want to plant. And I think I'm going to put my cucumbers and watermelons in the center, in the little center space that I have, and let them grow in there so I don't have to worry about the vines just running out everywhere, so I can kind of keep it in control in the center section. The back section, I'm thinking about putting corn in it. I'm thinking my tomato plants will go on the side. So it's a few days later after the rain, so I'm going to check to see how dry the ground is. I know it probably still pretty wet, too wet to do anything. The only thing that I can do is just give it a few more days. But in the meantime, I'll continue to plan out my garden space. So now it's day 6 after the rain. It's looking a bit better. I had no intentions of working when I came out here. I don't have my gloves. I don't want the soil to get back compacted, so I was just doing a little work just to make sure the ground don't get back compacted. Because once it get real hard, it's just hard to do anything with it. You have to bring in a tiller, something like that. So right now it's manageable. So the soil is loose, so it's easy for me to work with it. What I'm doing, I'm just keeping the soil loosened until it's time for me to plant, which is about a week away. That's when I plan on putting my seeds down. I really must fix this design flaw so I'm able to access this side of the garden. I can go to the outer side, but I got plans for it, so I don't want to go on the outer side of it. I want to be able to come in the middle and do what I got to do. I work it out. See, the ground right here is getting really hard. That's what I mean about the soil get compacted, especially after it rained. It was very loose the other day, a few days ago. See, now it's trying to get back hard, trying to dry out. I think it's still coming along. I'm still on target. So, like I say, I'm about a week away from planting. So, I'm still on target of getting everything done. I think my last frost date for my zone is next week. But you never know. But that's all for this video. So, tune in next time when I update you on my garden space. Thank you for watching.